VAT refund on a car purchase for business use. Recovering VAT on a car purchase in the UK is governed by specific rules, mainly depend on how the vehicle is used. Full VAT recovery. You can recover 100% of the VAT on a car purchase if the car is used exclusively for business, with no private use, not even for personal computing. Detailed records like mileage logs are essential to prove the car is exclusive for business use. Leased cars. For leased cars, the rules are slightly different. 50% VAT recovery. If the car is used for both business and private use, you can recover 50% of the VAT on these lease payments. 100% VAT recovery. If the car is solely for the business use, you can recover 100% of the VAT on lease payments. Mixed use. If a car is used for both business and private purpose, you generally cannot recover any VAT on the purchase. Exceptions are rare and require strong evidence that car is predominantly for business use. Commercial vehicles. For commercial vehicle like van, lorries, the VAT rule are more favorable. 100% VAT recovery. You can usually recover all the VAT on commercial vehicle, even with some private use, as long as business use is primary. Company cars. When you providing cars to employee for business and private use, VAT recovery on the purchase is typically not allowed. However, VAT on employee contribution towards private use might be recoverable. Resale of the vehicle. If you sell a car on which you have recovered VAT earlier, you must charge VAT on its sale. Given the complexity and potential for scrutiny by HMRC, it is wise to consult with a tax advisor to ensure compliance and maximize VAT recovery where possible. We have uploaded more than 800 videos in our YouTube channel, subject related to UK startup, businesses and tax.